Hi folks, I want to show you a new exciting development by the ENSYS guys, and what they are developing is what they call the ENSYS NT Logger, and the idea here is to have the logger feature available as a wireless access point, and they do this by using this ESP8266 module, which many of you might have heard of. Now what is the idea? You know, we have this STorM32 gimbal controller, and one possibility is to attach an NT logger to the NT bus and thereby to record a lot of real-time data. Now an alternative approach is not to use this NT logger module, but to use a PC, to connect a USB TTL adapter to it, and then to connect this USB TTL adapter to the NT bus. And then by using the NT data logger tool, and by activating here this checkbox, which activates what is called this live recording feature, you get these buttons, can select your serial port, and then start recording the data which you find on the NT bus. Now the new idea by this ENSYS guys is not to use the USB TTL adapter, but to use this wireless access point method. That is, instead of a USB TTL adapter, we connect this new module to the NT bus. It's now like this. And then the CSP module needs a lot of power, so one needs an extra BEC, which is here. I quickly power it up. A moment, please. So it's like this. Now you see that we have here the CSP module connected to our NT bus. And as a result of that, when I go to my Windows pane, there's my mouse here, okay, I now find a hotspot which is called ENSYS NT Logger. I connect to it, so this takes a short moment. Okay, let's wait a bit. Okay, now it seems to be ready. And indeed you see that I'm now connected to this ENSYS NT Logger. And this makes it possible to choose now in this NT data logger tool not only a serial port, but also this ENSYS NT Logger, and to start recording the data. Yeah, so that's all the data is coming in smoothly. And the cool thing about this wireless access point approach is that it's actually working much better than the USB TTL approach. And this can be shown when I click this data here. So now what you see here, there are these vertical lines which indicate that you have some transmission errors. But the important thing is the number of transmission errors is much smaller than what you would get with a USB TTL adapter. So that's a very cool thing. Here, ENSYS NT Logger using a wireless access point approach.